It's waterline install day. So Chris is here. I have got a tap at the water main at the road, and then we've got a 2-inch bell pipe, which is PVC, and it's a wider pipe because I'm going to run other plumbing off this, like to the barn once it's built. And it goes to, on the other side of his machine, this spigot right here. And up until now, Danny's family has let me use water from the house to water my horses and water the orchard, but soon enough I'll be able to have my own water. And then behind that, Chris has been working on doing the pad for the pole barn that's going to be moved. So always a bunch of things going on. This is necessary, but I don't love how it looks right now with my orchard all dug up. But I think he's going to finish today. Chris is backfilling the water line right now. We're going to have freezing temperatures tonight, so that's really important that it gets covered. Right here is the pad he just finished for the pole barn. This is done with a product called Chert, C-H-E-R-T, which is a material I'd never heard of before I moved to Tennessee. And this pole barn here is going to be relocated to this pad. And we're going to be able to save the sides of it, but not the roof. A new roof will have to go on because it won't be watertight after moving it. Chris did a great job. One thing I need to get better about is explaining things better to the guys that are working with me. So this pad was supposed to be square to this shed on the right, which is now primed to be painted blue, and the greenhouse. And what he did was he made it, you know, square with the driveway, but once it's built, the back would be at a diagonal. And so it's pretty much done. He just has to straighten out the back line. We just went over it and just adjusted it. I've given him better direction now, which, you know, is more costly to me because it's going to take more of his time, but I need to learn to be a little bit more clear with the vision and my expectations on the front end. But overall, I did a good job. I don't like seeing my orchard like that, but it's a necessity, and I'm sure he'll cover it up great. Tonight is a really cold freeze. I think it's going to get down to 23 or 24. As I showed in my other video, we got the strawberries, some of the blueberries. My peach tree still looks good. Here's the water line. Now Chris is starting to backfill it with his Mini X. And behind him is the frost-free spigot. And once I call the utility company, I'll be all on my own for water. So